Okay, automatic.
I think they replaced the rug. The rug looks new.
Okay.
They replaced the rug in just one day.
Okay, there's a TV in the bathroom. Okay, so hindi na kitchen sa kanta. Okay, so in the bathroom we have a TV. How good is that? There you go. So two double sink. Let's see. Let's see.
홍콩의 풍수지리 전문가들도 일본의 대지진을 예고했는데 불안감에 홍콩 주민들은 실제로 일본 방문을 줄였습니다. 일본은 올해 역대 가장 많은 해외 관광객이 몰려들고 있는데 지난 5월 기준 유독 홍콩만 전년 대비 11%준 겁니다. 일본 내부에서는 근거 없는 외소문으로 취급됐던 대지진설이 최근 다시 주목받고 있습니다. 일본 정부가 난카이 대지진 발생 확률을 조정한 데 이어 실제 최근 들어 전조 증상을 보이는 작은 지진들이 겹치고 있기 때문입니다. 東日本大震災の前もちょっとそういうのがあったので、ちょっと心配にはなってます。 바로 독하라 정책입니다. 독하라는 난카이
To close it. No, not close. Yeah, it's close it. And over here is another close it. Okay. And this one is another close it. And this is the refrigerator.
The ice. Let's see. Oh, there's ice. We will request for ice. And water.
The drawer. Yeah. Okay.
That's the safe deposit box. And another drawer. Oh, we put our cords in there. And then the big screen TV. Here's a remote for that. That's the outlet.
How do you open the drapes? Open the drapes.
There's a mirror. So I did request a tent for my son, and this is how it's gonna look like if you request for a tent. Sharing dreams at Four Seasons Hotel Seoul.
That one, we will learn how to do the drapes.
Now to open the drapes, this is the reading night light. This is if you want to do not disturb. That's the lights. You want a master lights. You want the light so bright is high, and this is also the turn off. That is the medium light, and that's the low light. Now for the windows, you want to open, and that's close. Open the blinds, and this one is to open the sheer and close the sheer, blinds and sheer. So right now the sheer is closed, the blind is open. If we want to close the blind,
How about the shear?
the sheer is closed already at this time. I will show how to open both. There you go. So they're fully closed, and we want to open them again. That's open. So the blind's opening. You want to open the sheer. Oh, that's... Now both the sheer and the blind is opening.
Wow. Nice.
There. And you get the full view of the city. A very nice material, very luxurious, no stain, very clean. Really maintained it. The sheets feel so smooth, carpets are so clean, and it smells good. The room smells
Some
good.
people that. Be quiet.
And they provided an office supply, like HDMI cord you can connect to your laptop, and they have like envelopes, markers, pen, and post-its, notes, and extra chargers. Close it. There you go.